This is a classic, a prime example of what can be done when good people with good hearts come forward and express themselves with projects such as this.
It's really great to celebrate the removal of this levee and also an amazing restoration project that I know many of you have worked on for a very long time.
Now, next time someone asks me to describe my vision for our initiative, Clean Water, Healthy Habitat, I will be able to direct them to a very tangible example right here on the banks of the Green River. What we have achieved here together will produce lasting results for generations. Better habitat for salmon, more food for orcas, better protection against flooding and erosion for farms and homes and roads.
We have an old village site here. Chakwab is the word. Chakwab. And it's the name that I'm proposing that we name this new site, this re-established site. It's the name of an old village site, which literally translates something being carried down, something being packed towards the water, towards the river. Consider it a blessing for the work that you've done here. Bless all those salmon and all the creatures that will utilize this space and call it home once again.